Students, let's see the next topic of chapter Viral Foreign, and this is all about the causes of diseases. We have seen in previous video about different types of diseases, and now we are going to categorize the causes of all those diseases into two types. The first one is the external cause, the second one is the internal cause. Now children, external causes are such causes which comes from outside our body, and we can take example of microbes. Microbes means microorganisms. We all know that they are very small in size, such small that we cannot see them through our naked eyes. We can have microbacteria, we can have viruses, we can have fungus, then protozoan, worms, etc. Somehow they get entry inside our body, and once they get inside our body, they cause one or the other diseases. So we can take microbes as external cause of diseases. We all know that different types of microorganisms or pathogens cause different diseases in our body. Now let's see about the internal cause. We can have a lot of examples of internal causes. First of all, let's see what are internal causes. So children, we can write that internal causes are those causes which come from inside our body, means they are not because of the external agent or external reason. They occur inside our, they result in the diseases, and they are the problem which arises inside our body. So first example, we can say that the lack of exercises. We all know that if we are not physically active, we are likely to suffer from one or the other diseases. Similarly, children, we can have overeating. We all know that overeating may result in obesity. Malnutrition means undernutrition. If we can see, if we are not taking proper diet, also we can suffer from one or the other diseases. Genetic defect. So genetic defect, we can say, are such diseases which we acquire from our parents. Means parents play an important role in transferring diseases to their offspring. Next is since birth. Some child may be blind since birth itself, so that can also be taken as internal cause. And another one is the failure of organs. Sometimes what happens due to one reason or the other, suddenly an organ stops functioning, that will also come under internal cause. So this is all about the external causes and internal causes of diseases. And now let's see levels of causes. We need to see different levels of the cause of diseases. And for this we'll have to take an example. So take an example of a child whose name is Rohan. And Rohan is, take a situation that Rohan is drinking dirty water. Now children, because Rohan is drinking dirty water and he lives in slum area, he is suffering from loose motion now. And we have already discussed that loose motion can be taken as symptom, and this symptom shows that he is suffering from certain disease. When all the diagnosis was done, ultimately it was clear that there was some virus due to which Rohan was suffering from loose motion. Means the disease was a kind of viral disease whose symptom was the loose motion with which Rohan was suffering. So Rohan was drinking dirty water, he was suffering from loose motion. It came to know later by his parents that virus was the reason for the loose motion. So virus can be taken as one cause of loose motion. Now children, why or how this virus got entry inside Rohan's body? So it is quite clear from the examples that virus got entry into Rohan's body because of this dirty water, because he was drinking dirty water, and the dirty water virus was present, and when dirty water was consumed, this virus ultimately got entry inside the Rohan's body. Now the next question is, why was Rohan drinking dirty water? Did he like to drink dirty water? Can anyone like to drink dirty water? Certainly not. He was drinking dirty water because he was a poor child and he could not afford to have clean water. He could not afford to have a purifier, etc. at home. So he was bound to drink dirty water, and the reason behind that was his poverty. So we can say that poverty is also one cause of the loose motion with which he was suffering from. So here altogether we can have three causes: virus, which is the direct cause, then we have dirty water and poverty also as causes of this symptom. We can categorize these causes as first level cause or immediate cause, that will be the virus or the positive acid responsible for this, and the dirty water will be the second level cause, and poverty will be the third level cause. So children, we can have a lot of examples like this. We can you can also make your own flow chart, and you can decide which one is the first level or the second level or the third level cause. See that in this particular slum area where Rohan was living, there was not only one child Rohan who was living over there, but there were other children also. They all were drinking same dirty water, having virus, and they all were poor. Still, only few of them were suffering from a particular disease, like Rohan. What was reason behind it? What is reason behind it? That we will have to understand here. Now, children, the reason due to which, even though lot of children were consuming same dirty water with viruses were entering into the bodies of all the children who were consuming such water, still only few of them were suffering from disease. The reason behind it is genetic difference. So we are going to see what is genetic difference. We will try to understand what is genetic difference. Now children, we can understand that a child is being produced by mother and father. We all know that. And we can consider an example of a mother and father who has produced a child whose name is A. Another couple is there who has produced a child whose name is B. Now children, this couple will have different features, will have different properties as compared to the second couple. Maybe in height, maybe in color of skin, maybe in color of hair, and all those properties. And that's why this child A and this child B will be different genetically. It means there will be genetic difference in between child A and B. The reason is that they both are coming from different parents. Their ancestors are different. So overall we can say that genetic difference is the difference due to fact that we come from different parents or different ancestors. Now children, because of this genetic difference, child A can be more tolerant towards a particular virus, and child B can be less tolerant towards that same particular virus. And because of this, child A means child B will be suffering from the disease caused by that particular virus very easily, whereas child A will remain safe. So overall we can say that genetic difference is the difference which occurs due to the fact that we are coming from different parents. Our ancestors are different. Because we are coming from different parents, we are acquiring different properties, and because of this, two children can be of different parents will be genetically different, and this fact causes different level of tolerance towards a particular microorganism. Here we can say in this case, Rohan is less tolerant towards this virus, so that is why he was suffering from disease. And similarly, there may be few more children who would be suffering from the same problem, but not all the children living in that particular slum area. The reason is genetic difference. So children, we can say that genetic difference can also be a cause of the disease with which Rohan is suffering. So here this can also play an important role for supporting this disease supporting this virus to cause a disease in Rohan's body. Such cows will be called as contributory cows. So genetic difference can be taken as contributory cows. But one thing which you must understand here, that contributory cows can cannot cause any disease alone, isn't it? It can support any virus, it can support any bacteria, it can support any other microorganism to cause disease in our body, but alone it cannot cause any disease in our body. It can be only supportive in nature. So this is all about the different levels of the cause of diseases, and then we saw about the contributory cause of a disease also.